In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spreadsheet View in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're looking for a way to make your workflows smoother and more visually intuitive, especially if you're accustomed to traditional spreadsheets, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your Monday.com board experience. First off, let's get started by opening your Monday.com board where you have all your tasks and data organized. Once you're there, look for the option that says plus Add View on your board. This may usually be found towards the top of your screen, ensuring that the layouts you choose are just a click away. It's through this feature that Monday.com allows you to customize how your information is displayed, and it's a fantastic way to switch between different types of visualizations, from Kanban to Gantt charts to the spreadsheet-like table view we're focusing on today. Once you click Add View, a menu pops up showing you a range of different viewing options. For our purposes, you should select the table view. This is the key step that will shift your board's layout into a more classic spreadsheet format. It's a nifty feature that allows those who are fond of or simply more familiar with the layout of a spreadsheet to get the best of both worlds using Monday.com's project management capabilities with ease of spreadsheet navigation. When you select Table View, your board will adjust its appearance, displaying all the information with columns and rows reminiscent of a traditional spreadsheet. This enhanced view can make data analysis a breeze, providing a streamlined and straightforward way to interact with your data. It's especially useful for tasks that involve extensive data manipulation or detailed tracking, because of how straightforwardly it aligns information in rectangular grids. A fantastic feature of this view is the ability to edit cells directly on this interface. That means any information you need to update, whether it's changing deadlines, modifying task descriptions, or updating statuses, can all be done right there in the spreadsheet format. Simply click on the cell you want to modify, make your adjustments, and seamlessly navigate to other cells for further modifications. It's quick, efficient, and keeps everything in one organized space without the need to switch back and forth between different sections of your board. By utilizing the spreadsheet view in Monday.com, you're not just changing the way data is presented, you're optimizing how you interact with your work. This view offers you both clarity and control, making it easier to understand your project structure and make adjustments on the fly. So take some time to explore this feature, and you might find it becomes an indispensable part of your project management arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!